The future is already here in China. The Chinese robotics manufacturer UBTech has released new footage showcasing dozens of Walker S1 humanoid robots working in some of the country's largest automobile factories. Humanoid robots have already begun assisting in production, including at BYD factories. The Walker S1, standing 172 centimeters tall and weighing 76 kilograms, is capable of carrying boxes, tightening screws, assembling components, and sorting parts. Currently, 70% of tasks in automated production are performed by robotic manipulators, and UBTech aims to automate an additional 20% using humanoid robots. This would leave only 10% of tasks for humans, primarily involving coordination and tool management. With a shortage of skilled workers, humanoid robots can help reduce reliance on human labor in manufacturing. For the first time, a humanoid robot has been integrated into a unified system with unmanned transport vehicles and intelligent production management systems. Besides BYD, UBTech's clients in the automotive sector include the state-owned Dongfeng Motor, the FAW Volkswagen joint venture, and Geely. Another major player in robotics, Reflex Robotics, continues to enhance its humanoid robots. Their latest model can learn new tasks in just 60 minutes by observing human workers. One of the key advantages of this robot is its affordability. It costs 20 times less than similar solutions on the market. Equipped with advanced machine learning algorithms, Reflex robots can quickly adapt to new environments and achieve full autonomy within an hour. Featuring a mobile wheelbase and manipulators with sensors, these robots can efficiently operate in confined spaces and handle objects at varying heights. Currently, Reflex humanoid robots are being tested in warehouses and logistics centers, proving their efficiency in performing various tasks. Meanwhile, the Chinese company Topsino has introduced a new generation of robotic dolls that are nearly indistinguishable from real humans. These lifelike robots are designed for various purposes, including companionship, art, photography, and educational demonstrations. Made from high-quality silicone, they have a realistic skin texture and durable construction. The anatomical design is highly precise, making them visually similar to real people. Buyers can customize options such as height, ranging from 153 centimeters to 169 centimeters, body type, eye color, hairstyle, makeup, and other features. Topsino's RRS Plus technology ensures a highly detailed skin texture and realistic makeup. Some models feature reinforced joints for greater stability when changing poses. The price varies based on the model and customization options, starting at around $1,800 and reaching up to $4,500 for high-end versions. Japan is also making strides in this field, developing its own lifelike robotic companions for individuals seeking alternative relationships. One such model, made from high-quality silicone, features a metal skeletal frame with joints, allowing for various poses. These robots typically range in height up to 170 centimeters and weigh around 50 kilograms. Prices vary depending on manufacturer, materials, and level of detail, ranging from $1,500 to over $5,000. In the world of robotics and music, New Zealand musician Nigel Stanford has released a viral video showcasing industrial robots performing a musical composition. The video highlights the intersection of technology and art, demonstrating how robots can be part of the creative process. At the start, industrial robots from CA Robotics play different musical instruments. A robot drummer maintains a precise rhythm, another plays piano keys with controlled force and speed, and another plucks a bass guitar with mechanical precision. As the composition progresses, the robots go out of control, destroying instruments and the stage using lasers and mechanical movements, symbolizing their rebellion against human control. The video, titled Automatica, has gained massive recognition, inspiring musicians and engineers to explore new possibilities in human-machine interaction. On the assistive technology front, the Canadian company Canova Robotics has developed the Jaco robotic arm, designed to enhance the independence of people with limited upper limb mobility. Made from lightweight, durable carbon fiber, Jaco features 6 interconnected segments and a 3-fingered gripper that mimics a human hand. With 6 degrees of freedom, it offers smooth, precise movements. The arm can be mounted on power wheelchairs and controlled via a joystick or other interfaces. Jaco has a reach of 90 centimeters and can lift objects weighing up to 1.5 kilograms, making it a highly versatile tool for daily tasks such as picking up objects, opening doors, and interacting with the surroundings. Robots are also making their way into the service industry. The American company Bear Robotics has introduced Servi, an autonomous waiter robot designed for restaurants and cafes. Servi is equipped with 2 trays and a compartment for collecting dishes, allowing for efficient meal and beverage delivery. Using LiDAR sensors and multiple cameras, Servi navigates safely through narrow spaces as small as 52 centimeters in width. It operates autonomously for 10 to 12 hours per charge and can carry up to 30 kilograms of cargo. Featuring a 7-inch touchscreen and mobile app control, Servi not only delivers meals, but also collects dirty dishes, significantly reducing the workload of human staff. Finally, engineers at Autonoton have developed Mimus, a giant industrial robot with a unique behavior system. Unlike traditional industrial robots programmed for specific tasks, Mimus explores its surroundings independently and responds to people and objects in real time. Although it has no eyes, Mimus uses ceiling-mounted sensors to detect and interact with individuals nearby. If it finds you interesting, it may follow you, but if you stay still for too long, it will lose interest and shift its focus elsewhere. The goal of Mimus is to showcase a more dynamic and interactive form of robotic intelligence. Which of these incredible robots impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BioInfo, and check out our previous videos for more amazing content. See you next time!